Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to tell you about UGC Care updated list on 1st October 2020. On 1st October 2020, new journals are added in the UGC Care list and some existing journals are removed from the UGC Care journal list. So before submitting your research paper, please make sure the journal where you are submitting your paper is listed in the UGC Care list. The journals which are removed from the UGC Care list, if any research author submitted or published their paper in the journal which is removed from the UGC Care list, all those papers will be considered till 30 September 2020. So make sure before submitting paper, or if paper is already submitted, so you can withdraw that paper and you can submit that paper to another journal. So the list is updated 4 times in a year: 1st of January, 1st of April, then 1st of July and 1st of October. So all uh, UGC Care list is updated 4 times throughout the year. So here uh, now we will see UGC journal website where we have to check the updated list and the new journal which are added and journals which are removed from the UGC Care list. So if you visit UGC Care website, you can also find out the list of clone journals where the journals which are UGC listed, but those journals having print ISSN. So some people created clone website of that original print journal, and they are attracting researchers, students, faculties to submit their research paper to that clone journal. So many people already published their valuable research work in these clone journals. So before submitting your research paper, please make sure you are not submitting your research paper to any clone journal. So before submitting your paper, make sure the journal should have print ISSN, online ISSN, authenticity of that journal, editorial board of that journal. Make sure all the issues, previously published issues, available online or in print format for that journal. So all these journal details you need to check before submitting your valuable work. So on UGC Care list, on 1st July 2020, they already published 24 journals which are cloned and where the researcher are submitting their valuable work. So two more journals are added in this list. So total 26 journals are available on the UGCK website, which are clone journals, and these journals are not included in the UGC Care list. So before submitting your research work, make sure you are not submitting your work to these clone journals. So here you can see total 26 journals are available. These journals are published by the UGC Care on their website. All these are the clone journals. So do not submit your research paper to these journals. Next, now we can check the updated list which is published on 1st October 2020. So here just click on UGC Care list here, and after that you can find out the group 1 and group 2 list available on UGC Care website. So if you click on the group 1, So you will find out two lists. There are search group 1, recently added journals, recently discontinued journals. All these details are available on their website. So when you click on recently discontinued journals, you will find out all the journals which are discontinued from the UGC care list and the journals which are recently added in the UGC care list. So here you can see the journals which are added in the UGC care list. So all these journals are added on 1st October 2020. Here you can see most of the journals that are recently added are having a print ISSN. So there is no online website, online publication of these journals are available. So while submitting your research work, make sure check that journal print ISSN, online ISSN, authenticity of that journal and previous issues published by that journal. So one by one you can see all the recently added journals. There are total 32 journals which are added by UGC Care on 1st October 2020. So you can see total there are 32 journals which are newly added in UGC Care list on 1st October 2020. Same way you can see you can click on the recently discontinued journals. So here you will find out all the journals which are discontinued from 1st October 2020. So you can check the journal title is there, publisher of that journal is available, print ISSN, online ISSN available for that journal, and action. In action column you can check discontinued from October 2020, discontinued from October 2020. So all these journals are discontinued from the UGC Care list from 1st October 2020. So total there are 16 journals which are removed from the UGC Care list on 1st October 2020. So if you published or submitted any paper to these journals, make sure your paper should publish before 1st October 2020. So that paper will be considered for any academic purposes. So researcher do not worry about the coverage of that journal. If you publish your paper in these journals before 1st October 2020, so that paper will be considered for all academic purposes. But if you submitted that your paper to these journals and that paper will publish after 1st October 2020, means that paper cannot be considered for any academic purposes. So make sure you check these all 16 journals and see. Now onwards, do not submit your valuable research work to these journals. So these are the total 16 journals which are recently discontinued from the UGC Care list. This list is updated on 1st October 2020. So this is the updated list available on the UGC Care list. So all 32 journals which are recently added and 16 journals are discontinued from the UGC Care list on 1st October 2020. So here all the categories of these journals are available based on your area, based on your domain. You can find out, you can search any journal based on this parameter. Title is there, ISSN number is there, publisher is there, subject, language of publication. By using all these parameters, you can search any journal on UGC Care website. I hope this video will be helpful in your research publication. If you really like my video, please share among your colleagues, among your friends. Thank you.